Hello students, I will explain the concept of second type, that is direct substitution problems. So last video we discussed left limit, right limit, now direct problem. The given question is limit x approaches 1, x cube minus x square plus 1. If you directly substitute this value, once replace x equal to 1, put x equal to 1, 1 square 1 cube minus 1 square plus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1, and these two gets cancelled and hence this is 1. You can directly substitute x equal to 1. So, few more types. Limit x approaches 1, x square plus 1 by x plus 1. So if you directly substitute 1 square plus 1 by 1 plus 100, which is equal to 2 by 101, 2 by 101, because you can directly get some arithmetic value, that is numerical value. Next, limit x approaches 0, x square plus 2x plus 5 by x square plus 1. Now directly substitute this value, 1 square plus 2 plus 5 by 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8 by 1 plus 1 2, and this value is 4. Value is 4. Different types of problems, correct? Next, fourth type of problem. If you substitute x equal to 3, this is 9 plus 21 plus 11 by 9 minus 9. So 21, 30, 41 by 0, which is equal to infinity. And this is also possible. The value of limit may be infinite also. Value of limit may be infinite also. So this is an example for infinite value, and the last three videos are examples for finite values. So these four sums are problems related with direct substitution. Thank you.